Hi guys. So, I should probably have cleared my throat before this. Today, we're going to be making games today. I feel like that was pretty clear. Yes, yeah. So if you guys have any game suggestions, I'll do that. But before we get into game suggestions, someone yesterday on the stream asked me to make a game where you're a stick of butter and you have to run from a knife. So I guess we're making that. But first, I have to find a butter PNG. No, I'm not shopping for butter. I just need butter. API in PNG. Give me this one. Now I'm gonna go into Photopia. Photopez. Ignore that. That was for a different thing. Where was it? Alright, that's in screenshots. I can't believe that it's not. I can't believe it's butter. Oh, butter. Found the butter. I found the. No, wait. I meant to say, Yes. 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 Open from computer. Wow, I can believe it is butter. We're going to... Is anyone watching this? No, wait, shit. Is anyone watching this? No. What? Go, please, go, please. Good morning. That was my grandma. Alright. Wait, someone's watching this? Who? Alright. Okay. What? Hi. But first I want to make butter. I forgot. I'm gonna save all the suggestions in like a notes document. So, still says there's one concurrent viewer. Okay, never mind. They're gone now. Let's make the butter and let's give it legs. This is going to be Butter Runner. That's some weird legs. We're going to give it eyes. Eyes. Creepy. This would be good. This is good. Download 29. Remember that. Still no one. Alright, well, we give the butter eyes. So, to give the... Oh, wait, I already got a picture of eyes. I remember now. Yeah, here. Well, it's not a PNG, but it's fine because we can fix that by using something called Magic Select. So just no, this, and then select all these, and then delete it. Shut up. Delete it. And now it's a PNG. Let's give our butter eyes. And then let's, first things first, I need to get this off my screen. And then I'm going to copy and paste you. Yeah, that's not horrifying at all. We're also going to give it teeth. So let's look for mouth with lips, because we wouldn't want it. Okay, well this is weird. Get out of that. Mouth. H mouth. What? Alright, these are really weird. I'm just going to draw it. We're going to give him... That's even better. I really hope no one's watching this right now. They're just going to see a stick of butter with a sad thing up. Alright, and finally, we're going to give him a nose. Nozer. No, I need a nose. Yep. Maybe if I had a PNG. Come on. Yes, like this. Gimme. Why? Realistic vector icon illustration. Shut up. Go to photo P. No, wait. No. God dang. Open in place the thing that I downloaded that has noses that I forgot the name of. My God, why? When you do this to me? I can't find it now because I'm gonna turn myself into a black hole. Where did it go? It vanished off the face of this very earth. Now I can't find it. It should be in the R's. Okay, yes, finally. Alright, we use this thing called the Magic Select tool and we delete it. And then we use this other thing called the Eraser tool. Actually, I can just use the Select tool again. Delete it. Alright, now we got this nice nose and we're gonna... Take the nose. Alright, I forgot. I'm not in Blender. Oh, I thought that was going to adjust the size of my image. Select clone. Shut up. Please. I don't know how to do things. And I'm clearly... Ow. I just farted again. Turn on transform control so I can make this thing smaller. There. He's perfect. He's beautiful. Turn off transform controls because I don't want to see that the whole time I'm working on this. It's going to be heartbreaking. Alright, that's going to be the first frame. of our idle animation for the butter. Now we make our second frame of the idle animation of the butter. Why am I out of breath? It's just, that's the wrong thing. Let's just decapitate his legs. If there's anyone that just came in like right now, don't ask, okay? Just don't, because I have no idea either. Right, it's time to make the second frame, which is just gonna be this. And it's going to be him bending his knees down. What kind of wonky looking thing is that? So, as I'm sitting here, oh hey, wait, and make the monster for you. Hello. Hi. And make the monster Butterweight, and make the monster for you. What do you mean by make the monster for you? For you. Ow, yeah, that's a word. What do you mean by make the monster for you? Make the monster. Alright, well, I have no idea what that means, so we're just going to give him a giant yes. And we're just going to stick it in his word that I can't say on stream. Type tool. Yes. Oh wait, I forgot I had this font selected. Is there just normal? Calibri. That's right, that's what it's called? Yeah. Yes. In all caps. And then we... And we're going to stretch it on his butt. This is the yes butter. There we go. Does that appease you? No, I mean, I'll give you a brand new monster for my mind. So, okay. We'll get rid of the yes. Now I have to make a monster. But first, I want to finish this butter. So, I'm gonna download the butter. Export as PNG. I can't believe it's not butter. But it is butter, just with horrifying eyes and facial expressions. Horrifying eyes. I promise you, I'll get your weird demon head thing. Whatever. Alright, well... We're going to, make him run. Because that is what he will be doing. Some very sad butter. And I will be releasing this game on Steam. It's going to be called Butter Runner. Or maybe it's .io, because Steam costs money. but I think we're done with the butter now. So just export that. And now let's make the creature in this person's mind. So, brain. Brain? No, brain. And we can make this like an NPC. So, I can only assume that you want me to make the creature your mind. So, I'm gonna make a new project in Photopea. Nobody cares, just anything. Open from computer, and look for brain. There we go, that's our brain. He didn't say anything. Cool. Well, we're gonna use this thing called Magic Select to select the parts that we want to delete and delete them. And let's give him eyes. Let's give him eyes. Is this what you want? I can't tell. Honestly, I can't tell. Wait a minute, this isn't a PNG, this is a JPEG. Insert funny laugh sound effect here as I try to cut out this image and turn it into a PNG. Yes, shut up. Thanks. So now I forgot what I was doing. And transform controls so that we can shrink this down. And we're going to give him one eye, since he's supposed to be a demon from hell. And we can make him like an NPC. He's gonna talk to you and he's gonna give you like, I don't know, medical health advice or something to not get cut by the knife that's chasing you. Because that was also part of this suggestion. B. This is Sun and Moon's mind. This is what it looks like. This is a live preview footage. Oh, he's still here. Cool. Photopea. Alright, so let's save this. Save it. Because that's what you do to ow! I just cracked my toe and I didn't even know you can do that. Alright, let's make a new project. Let's call it Butter Runner or something. I don't know. Alright, I also gotta get an image of a knife. Knife. Fuck. I gotta get the knife image. The knife. PNG. Knife PNG. Just need a knife. Okay, thanks. Let it go. Let it go. Well, first I need a new folder. We're going to call it art because that's what it is. God damn it. I didn't want to open Microsoft Outlook. No. Close it, please. I don't want to leak my mom's information. And what is... Alright, knife. Yes, we put it in art because it is art. This is what people call art. No, it's not. Alright, so we got this, and that. Yeah, shut up. So, yeah. We're gonna rename this to World. Because this is where we're going to put the knife that runs at you and stuff. And this is going to be player. No, wait. Character body 2D. I forgot. Butter. Do we have any suggestions for names in the chat? I don't know what I would name this guy. Like, what would you name, like, just a stick of butter? Like, Sun and Moon, you're, like, the only one here, so you're gonna need to, like, speak words, please. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna make up my own suggestion. What about Butter? That seems like a pretty unique name. Alright, cool. And they somehow misspelled butter. It was a typo, guys. It's butter. What was that sound that I just made? We're going to give him a Spritty. It's not called a Spritty. I don't know why. This is our friendly friendo. He's horrifying. And we're also going to give him an animation player node. We're gonna call it Run. Because that's what you should be doing right now. So, it's just going to be this keyframe. And then this. No, wait. And then this. And that, no. This. Yeah. And now, we're gonna shimmibbity wibbly, and we make it a loop. Yeah, that's what butter looks like when it's walking, and it's, yeah. We're gonna call this one Scrumdiddlyumptious. That was just a word that I thought of. Fun fact, Scrumdiddlyumptious is actually Latin for idle animation, so... It's actually Latin. Alright, let's change this to... Oh my god. 0.2. And let's make it a loop. And now we got an idle animation for our beloved stick of butter. And finally, we're going to make a new animation, call it boing, because this is going to be our jumping thingy. Keyframe. Alright, so now that we got our buttery butters, I'm never saying buttery butters again. We're gonna make it, what? a collision shape 2D. And I'm gonna make it a square. And we're gonna stretch it to be the size of my ass. Alright, I forgot I can't swear on this channel because my mom won't let me. Oh. He's got a bit of a wide profile, so I wouldn't want to misrepresent him. Yeah. I want to misrepresent him. We're actually going to make this back a little bit so that he can... Actually, the front a little bit too. It's going to be just a square. Whatever. I was gonna make a funny joke about be there or be square, but now it's not funny anymore because I just said it. Alright, and the final thing we need is a camera. That's a small camera. What if I make it like 1 bajillion? No, okay. So we're going to make him tiny so that he fits in the camera. We're also going to give the camera an offset by -400. Nah, that's too much. -325. What about just -200? Yes, that is good. Alright, so now let's add something to our world. We're going to add a static body 2D so that we can add a collision shape 2D so that we can also add a mesh 2D. And we make the mesh 2D a, where is it? Quad mesh. And now it's a box. So now we can stretch that out to be the size of my anus. And then we go to collisions and we make a box. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Is this fun? No. Are you having fun? Probably, most likely not. So I don't know why I'm doing this. I could be doing something else and you would never even know. But we need our butter. He's a sad-looking butter. He's a sad-looking butter. And we're just going to make this the main scene. But since we haven't given our butter a script yet, it can't actually move, so let's import a script. And Godot actually comes with its own default script for like players and stuff. So, yeah. But as you can see, kind of sucks. So, yeah. We're just going to delete that, and we're going to put a pass. Delete. We'll make a new constant. We'll call it gravity, and it's going to be an integer, and it's going to equal 4 million. Just kidding. 300. I made the monster in my community post. Bye. I will go. Alright, bye. Did you leave? I can't tell because, well, this guy isn't here anymore, so. Alright, well, I'm going to keep working on this. So, you can shut up now. And we're going to, we're going to make it an infinite runner game. So, velocity dot x equals velocity dot x times speed times delta. So now it should just constantly be moving right. No? Maybe we make it plus equals speed times delta. We're also going to enable horizontal drag in the camera. Alright. Equals. We're just going to make it equal to speed times delta. Which is very slow right now because our speed is very slow. So we're going to make this like a 1 bajillion. Yeah, that's a number. Okay, well, he has left the stratosphere now, so we need to dial that down a singular notch. And that sucks, so we're going to add another 0. Okay, yes, this is the perfect speed. Alright, now we're going to, if input dot is action just pressed UI accept, then we velocity dot y equals jump velocity. Oh, and also we need to add an and is on floor. So now we should be able to jump. No, maybe it's just not working. Print you are a stupid dum-dum. Because that's what I am. Okay. Oh, so I think the problem is that we're not applying gravity. So therefore he is always not on the floor. So if not is on floor, then velocity dot y plus equals gravity. Gravity times delta, which is a variable. Oh. Alright. Well, we're gonna need to make his speed value 1 because I need to test the gravity, so just for now. Wow, that's some super bad gravity. We're gonna make that like 10,000. Well, now, what about just 2,500? Nah, 2,800. And then we make the jump velocity like negative 1,700 or something. And we also get vertical drag, so top margin all the way, bottom margin all the way. Okay, so that's way too high. We need it to be like 13. Alright, now let's increase our speed back to like 100,000 or whatever it was. Like that. Oh, fuck. I forgot to disable that I'm a stupid dum-dum. Bruh. Butter game. Go, brr. Butter game. Butter games go, brr. Alright. Play. Oh wait, I gotta call the animation player. Animation player dot play boing. I gotta remember what these do. And by default, if velocity dot x is not equal to 0, god damn it, if not velocity dot x equals 0 and is on floor, then animation player dot play run. Alright. So I think he got the message that whatever. So now that we got our stuff, we gotta make the ground something, and we also gotta make we gotta make the ground. So let's see what the ground is. So anyone have any suggestions for what the ground could be? Like, what are we running on? Like anyone, just anyone? I think my text. Alright, sure, let's make the ground your text. Oh, wait, no, No, it's not. Your text isn't glitching. I can clearly see your text. Maybe I could make the ground butterflies. That could be cool. Butterfly. PNG. Top view, butterfly isolated. Yeah. So let's give the mesh instance to the texture. Once I get the texture, and the texture is butterfly. So butterfly. The butterflies are I'm gonna make you flutter by if you don't give me this friggin' get in. Oh my god. Butterfly is gonna make you flutter by. Oh my god. Why doesn't it accept my butterfly? Right. Well, it won't accept my damn butterfly. Take it. Alright, well, what if I just copy and I paste it? Paste it. Paste it. Is there paste? Can I paste anything? Fuck it. I'll just insert the fire myself. Let's go to where all my projects are saved. We go to whatever project I'm doing now, which I forgot the name of already. Butter Runner, right? And then in art, we paste it. So for some reason, I guess my butterfly doesn't count now. Is that what you're saying? Oh my god. It keeps my butterfly, but it doesn't let me flutter by. Come on. Oh, is it because it's an AVIF file? What, you won't accept AVIF files? You have to get a JPEG or something? So I can get a JPEG. That's what you truly, really want. Okay, so the JPEG works now. Alright. Yeah, in this texture file. Now we got butterflies! And we're running on the butterflies, and we get the butters, and they fly. I'm gonna copy this. And we're gonna move it. So transform. Oh my god. Slap me in the face and give me vertigo. Actually, please don't. Oh, what about 700? 750? Alright, yeah, 750. Good enough. Alright, we got our butterfly flooring. So I think my text, hey can. I don't know. Whatever. Butter Gamsey over butterflies and other stuff that make me butter. I'm gonna make you buttery, butter man. What does that even mean? I don't know. I need to make this repeat infinitely, and I think I know how to do that. First things first, we make an area 2D, and we give it a collision shape so that it can detect things. We make it a rectangle. actually, I'm going to make this a child of this. And I'm going to make the area 2D a child of this. So that the area 2D stays with it when we teleport it. Which is going to be when it reaches this point. So when the Butterman reaches this point, I don't know, but first we gotta give our world a script. So, we're going to get the process. Actually, no we're not, because we need a function from this. Area entered. On area 2D entered, this dot position equals plus equals 700. No. 700. And that should take the area 2D with it. No! Okay. Oh, right! That's because our butter needs an area 2D, too. So, we're going to give him an area 2D. Area 2D. And a collision shape 2D. And this collision shape, no, it's gonna be a rectangle. Because I'm rectangular, baby. That position. Maybe if I just do equals. Alright, well, how about I do world dot position? I'm not quite sure I understand. What if it plus equals vector 2 and then 700 0 700. Fuck you. Plus equals its position. Static body 2D dot position. Maybe it'll work. Nope. Maybe this'll work. Damn it. I'm not putting in multiplication. Okay. Minus. What if we minus a negative? Because then we'll get a positive. Damn it. So, I guess it just hates me now. How to change something? Hold on. I think my text... Main character got killed by Shrek and you're invited to TikTok. This is why I hate the human race. This is why I hate the human race. So, to convert integer to vector 2. And good. Create a new vector 2 object with my Alright. We're gonna call a variable, we're gonna call it movement. And it's going to be a vector 2i actually. And it's going to be 100, 700, and 0. Comma. What? Oh. Alright, yeah, sure. Plus equals movement. And now it should work right. Oh my god! It's an infinite runner! We did it! Now I'm going to fine-tune the shape of the area 2D and where it's placed so that it looks like it's running infinitely. When it's not. A little bit to the left. Like a teensy bit more. More to the right now. Alright, well, we're just gonna transform it. And we're just gonna make it bigger so that it doesn't matter. Alright, now we have an infinite runner game. Yes! Alright. I've never made a game in one day before. It's gonna be challenging. I'm gonna make myself breakfast, because I eat breakfast like normal people, so I'm gonna be right back. Is there a way that I can make like a break? Manage? No. How do I make a break? Like break? What like those things that you see? Like stream settings maybe. Enable close captions, unlist, replay. So, alright, well, you know what? I'm just going to breakfast time. And we're just going to do it like that. Breakfast time. Alright, bye guys. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. Alright. I'm back. Wow, I can't, I honestly don't know why everyone left. Alright. Well, back to it. So, now that there's literally no one here, let's add the knife. So, I have a knife PNG. Actually, we can just attach the knife PNG to the butter. So that way, it always follows the butter and we don't have to worry about gravity and shit. Oh. Friggin' buttery runner game. Okay. So let's add random obstacles that spawn. These obstacles are actually going to be attached to the static bodies. So we're gonna add another static body. Static body. So this one is gonna have a collider shape, collision shape. 2D. It's also gonna have mesh instance 2D. What should the obstacles be? Alright, I forgot. Literally everyone left. That's a shame. That's a mighty shame. Alright. And what if I just make the obstacles like another knife? There's just more. There's just more. There's just more. I can make the obstacles knives. I want to place the obstacles before it though. So we're gonna go to texture and we're gonna... What? Texture. Transform. Visibility. Ordering texture. Process. Alright. Whatever. Good enough. I can just rotate it. Transform. Rotation. Alright. Now that we got it, we gotta get our things, get our thingabadoodles to sit. Now, if this collision shape It's touching. It's fine. Okay. Because we can just make it so that if the butter's velocity is equal to 0, then he dies. Which will make it so that automatically, if he hits this, then he is dead. So. Is anyone watching this? Wow, no one. Wow, that's so cool, guys. I wonder how long it'll take to get me an audience. So, this is where our process function comes in. Rand I range. Random integer range from 150. Oh, we're gonna make this a variable. We're gonna call it random. And it's going to equal to that. And then we can go if random is equal to, is greater than or equal to 50, then, static body 2D dot disable collision shape dot disabled equal true, and mesh instance 2D dot visible equals false. Come on. Print. Footy. Whatever. Alright, well, the issue is that we're doing this every frame. So, if random is less than 50 and able to disable and able to do is equal to true. And we can just make a variable called able to do. Fuck. We're gonna make it a variable first. Variable able to do. By default, it's true. It's a bool. Still no one watching this. I still have no idea what's happening. And I still have no flipping idea. I'm able to do. Then able to do equals false. And now it only happens once. can get a number below 50, please. Oh, wait. Print. Okay, studies. Sud. How am I so unlucky? Alright, well, how about if it's over 10? How? Oh, wait, no. If it's over 100. Check that. Oh my god. Print random. Just print it. How did it print at 100? How? How did it... Huh? Maybe I got it wrong. 50, maybe 0 to 100. Maybe now. False. But if the random value is less than 50 and able to do is equal to true, then this dot disabled equals false, and this dot visible equal true, and also able to do equals false. Okay, so it should just randomly do it or not. Okay, now we need to send something that'll turn it back on. Not that kind. Able to do equal true. Fuck. Okay. Now, one thing that I want to change is having it be so close to the starting. Stop this video. Alright, now the issue is that the gravity isn't high enough. So we're gonna go 3,200. That should fix it. What if 3,700. Oh, fuck. What about 5,000? We're gonna make the jump force higher, but we're gonna make the gravity stronger. So 10,000 maybe. Yeah, but we also gotta make the jump force higher now, so 900. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 no, butter, no, it's getting closer, oh, butter, oh, butter. Why am I actually having fun? Whatever. Alright, it's time to implement the kill, aka dying. Nobody is watching this. Wow. Seriously? I wonder why. It peaked at 8:40 a.m. That's crazy, bruh. Alright, let's make a variable. Let's call it isDead. And it's going to be a boolean that's going to equal false by default. And, yeah. So, if velocity dot x is equal to 0, then we start a timer. We're gonna make it 0.3. Timer dot start. And then we're gonna make it a one shot. And then on timer timeout, if our velocity is still equal to 0, then is dead equals true. So if we are not is dead, print is dead. Is dead not. Actually, just print is dead. Just print it. Wow. That's some enlightenment. We can just say if it's less than or equal to 100,000. If it's less than 100,000, the timer. Just kill him immediately. Is dead equals true. No, you won't. Okay. Well, I'm already dead. Oh, God. I'm gonna make his hitbox a bit more forgiving. Totally not, because I suck at Butter Runner. Oh. I get butter. My wet buttery hands. Okay. There goes his penis. Let's make the jump velocity higher. You are a pirate. You're hard. Oh, I didn't even get to jump. Okay, wow, fuck. You are a pirate. You're dee. Oh. Alright, so let's get a screaming sound effect of a screaming person. So, screaming. Screaming sound effects. What? Mom isn't in here. Alright, we got a loud screaming sound effect now. Let's add it. No, wait, not a timer. No, we don't want a timer. Let's add an audio. And it's going to be called loud screaming sound effect at MP3. If is dead is equal to true, then dot play. watching this. No one's watching this. I haven't had a viewer in, like, forever. Ow. So... What's happening, my people? That all 0 of you? Dang. Well, I'm going to finish my butter. It sounded really bad and weird. Anyway, MP3 to watt converter. It should be in doing downloads. This one. Convert to WAV. Convert it, please. Play it. Buddy. Who's dead? Alright, well, we can just say, audio stream player. I need to turn that down. Wow, I'm honestly surprised that no one's watching this. Wow. Well, I need to make a new scene. We're gonna call it UI. It's a UI. And we're gonna add a label, right? I think so. And we're gonna call it You Dead. Yeah, we'll just say that's intentional. How would I where's transform? Transform. UCO deads. Yeah, that's a word. We're gonna make 2 buttons. Button 1 and button 2. Button. This button is gonna have the text quit. quit, and button 2 over here is going to have the text retry. And it's going to be transformed. Dead. UCO deads. Yeah, dead. Jotties like a melody. Anyway, we're gonna give you control. UCO deads. By default, we make it invisible, and when we are dead, we make it visible. I wanna quit, please. Alright, right now, the buttons don't actually do anything. So, gotta make a script. Control. And, pressed. The sooner I can get this done, the sooner I can finally poop. Without losing viewers. Okay. I'm panicking. Get tree dot get scene get change scene to file res colon / no 2D. Alright, I gotta poop. Poop time. was I doing again? Oh, right. Actually, I need to change this to quit. So now if we die... Yeah! I can quit the game. Why am I so excited? And then on button 2 pressed, get tree, and then dot change scene to file node 2D. So now huh. Oh. Oh. This is a rage game. Sad button. Oh. Alright, final thing, we're gonna add a score in the top right. So to do that, we're gonna add a label, and it's gonna be score and a colon, and layout, transform, scale, like scale a lot, actually a bit less. No, move it. Can you move it, please? I don't give a shit about your damn scale. Oh my god. Let me click on something else. 40. Oh my god. We have to close this and then reopen it. Doe's being a little shit. No. Doe's being... Cadell, please. Score, and then another label. We're going to call this one label 2, and it's going to be nothing for now. For now, it's going to be 0. Alright. If not is dead, we're gonna make a timer and we're gonna start it. And this timer, so it's gonna be like 0.1. And signal timeout is already, oh. Well, on timer timeout, we're gonna make a variable called score. Alright, that's going to be an integer, and it's going to equal, 0. I should probably do this. Inty? No. Intum? No. Just give me integer. What? Oh my god. Okay. Score is an integer. How to convert integer to string. Look at it. Timeout. Score plus equals 10. Label2.text equals score. Alright, so maybe type int. str. Okay. str score. Okay. You owe so deeds. Alright. Oh. Line shot. And on timer timeout. Start the timer again. Timer dot start. And then if is did. Oh wait, if not is dead. So if not is dead. Right. You so deeds. Start label2 dot text. We're just gonna if is dead. Auto start. we are not dead, the timer started. But if we are not... Okay. Alright, so we got the score. Move this up here. We got oh. You so deeds. Alright. And the final thing we need to do is to make a title screen. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a user interface. We're gonna call it title Title 4. Yeah, sure. Is anyone still watching this? Nope. Oh wait, there's 14. Someone was watching this. I guess. Like right here, I got one. I wonder when that was. I'm not gonna bother. Label. We're gonna call it butter run. Alright, transform. Scale. Meow. Booter runner. Yeah, booter runner is definitely a thing. I am the Goblin Man. Well, I have no idea what's happening. Man. Bowder runner. More like bowel runner because my bowels are ow. Button. And the text is going to be start. Set gore. Start tray. Yeah, sure. Start tray. And this button is going to just say stop. And this is going to be the quit button. Stop. I'm going to give you a script. we can just delete these. And we can say on button pressed, start game, get tree dot change scene to file but on button 2 pressed, then we quit the game. So get tree dot dot quit, and I'm gonna change the main scene to be, no, I gotta save this scene first. No, Tittle 4. Yes, that's the. We're gonna change it to be Tittle 4. So now it should be working. Start tray. Oh. And if we quit tray, we quit. Alright, so now it's pretty much done, but I want to add some passion into it. Yeah, so we're gonna get Sky. We're gonna save the image. Oh, freaking hell. And, I'm gonna get a Spritty, a Spritty 2D. And we're gonna put our Sky background in here. See, this is actually deep symbolism because I have no idea what I'm doing. I also gotta put it like behind everything. Butter runner. Yay. Now, in the static body 2D, we're gonna get a sprite 2D, and we're gonna give it this. And we're gonna make it big. Because we are depressed. Yui Soy Deeds. Oh. Yusa Deeds. Wow. Well, come on. Yui So Zeds. Alright. Well, I think that's our game. That's complete. Yep. So, yeah. Alright, well, that was the stream. Yeah. Bye, guys. And to end it off, I'm going to type butter in chat, and we're going to do a little countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, it's 3, 2, 43, 5, 9, 8, 9, 7,